Ever felt like stress is overwhelming your daily life? Just imagine the power of transforming this stress into tranquility and peace. Welcome back to Minute of Mindfulness. Today we delve into the practical world of mindfulness techniques that can help you do just that. Stress, an all too familiar companion, can be detrimental when it becomes a part of our lives. But fear not, for the balance can be restored and peace of mind achieved through understanding and managing stress effectively. Enter mindfulness, your secret weapon against stress. It works by bringing awareness to our thoughts and feelings without judgment, creating a buffer between ourselves and our stress. This buffer allows us to respond with calmness rather than react impulsively. Now, let's get practical. Here are some effective mindfulness techniques you can employ to manage stress. First, mindful breathing. Simply take a moment to focus on your breath. Inhale deeply for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, and then exhale slowly for 6 seconds. Repeat this cycle several times. Next, the body scan. Close your eyes and gradually bring awareness to each part of your body, starting from your toes and moving all the way up to your head. Notice any tension and consciously relax those areas. Finally, the grounding exercise. When feeling overwhelmed, use the 5-4-3-2-1 technique. Identify 5 things you can see, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. This technique will help you anchor yourself in the present moment. Remember, mindfulness can be woven into the fabric of your daily life. Whether you're eating, walking, or even washing dishes, the key is to be fully present and engaged in the moment. To take it a step further, consider creating a personalized stress relief plan. Identify your stress triggers and choose specific mindfulness techniques to use when those moments arise. Having a plan empowers you to handle stress more effectively. And there you have it, your guide to managing stress with mindfulness. If you found this episode helpful, show your support by giving it a thumbs up. We'd love to know which mindfulness techniques you use to manage stress, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content on mindfulness. Until next time, remember, embrace mindfulness, manage stress, and transform your life.